Vada, mamma. Vada. Hello guys, hello, this is your amazing sister Adadiche. You are welcome back again in my channel. This is Adadiche Blog TV channel. You are welcome back. God bless you. If it is your first time of seeing this beautiful face, God bless you.
Guys,
If it is your first time of coming to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also on your notification button, so that any day, anytime you upload new video, you'll be the first one to be notified. In this channel, we are going to bring a lot of things for you. You're going to see latest news. You're going to see how life, we will talk about lifestyles, marriage, and God, relationship with your God, in God. Okay? So God bless you for joining us, for subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much. I love you guys. See you. Thank you. Keep watching.
Gira, vai. Bene, tu? Cosa fa oggi?
Sono andata a fare della foto.
A ballare?
Sì,
Con mamma?
io non c'avevo un
Tu?
come video.
Wow.
Mio fratello e mamma,
Mhm.
mia mamma uccide.
Ok.
Papà rifusa.
Mhm. Ok. Oggi cosa ha fatto? Ha fatto da ballare? Share. If you share, right, share. We are giving away the church card money for our fans. According to how you share this video, if you share 10, you get your own. Hello guys, share the video.
Goodbye.
Next time, you posso.
Goodbye, Snazzy.
Hello guys, share us, rent us, good or bad. God bless you as you are watching. Thank you so much. You can see my little baby. This is Asawina baby. She likes what her mommy is doing. So she always likes to be with her mommy. So today she decided to dance with me. So guys, for our top fans and people that share our videos, God bless you all. Thank you so much for coming. Thank you for all you have been doing since we opened this page. It has been so good for us. Thank God Almighty for giving us the opportunity. Thank God for giving us the grace, the power, the strength to do this. Say ciao to them.
Ciao to them.
As I say ciao to you. God bless you. Guys, I'm not seeing your comments here. You are not commenting. You are not sharing. Why? So we need your comment. We need your sharing. Share this video. Let it go viral. We need people to come in and watch us. This is our dancing competition today. Me, Mommy, and Asa. So you rent us and tell us who dance pass, okay? In this dancing competition, okay?
Okay.
God bless you. Thank you, guys. We love you so much. We love you. We appreciate you as you are helping us. Thank you so much, guys. Please share us, okay? Share us. What do you want to say?
Goodbye.
No, not goodbye. We are starting. You can't tell us goodbye. We are starting. Asa. Asa want to say goodbye. Maybe she's tired. You know, a little girl now. So, as we are starting, we are starting. Our people, our fans are still coming. Eh? Eh? So adesso balla da solo dopo balla io, ok? Adesso Asa will dance. After that dancing, me I will dance my own. So Ada, DJ, Ada dance. Oh yeah, dance. Dopo tu te io. E what do you do, Mate? E what do you do,
Goodbye, Fenito.
Okay, my turn. Sakwa. Hey guys, I hope you, I hope we are getting it. Thank you so much for watching. I changed it. No, not about the piano.
This stage, another stage.
Come out.
Ciao. Ciao. Mi chiamo Winner. Winner come vinto. Ciao.